If your snowblower floods a carb, leaks fuel, or is a nightmare to store, this cheap fuel shutoff will fix all of that. But here's the thing, most people install it in the wrong place. Craftsman actually gives you a hidden location where you can install it cleaner, easier, and safer, and nobody's talking about it. Let me show you. What's up guys? If you work on your own equipment, flip snowblowers, or just want your stuff to last, you're in the right place. Today I will show you how to install a fuel shutoff valve on a Craftsman snowblower using the best possible location, step by step, no guessing, and no fuel mess. Quick reasons why this matters. It stops a carb from flooding, it prevents gas leaks during storage, it makes maintenance way easier, and honestly it should have come from the factory this way. If your snowblower makes the garage smell like gas, this is why. Most installs I see cut this long fuel line up top. It works, but it's awkward and it puts stress on the hose. Instead, Craftsman hid this spot with a sticker. Right here is where the location is. This is basically a factory splice. It's flexible, straight, and already isolated. This means no rerouting fuel lines, no kinks, no clearance issues. This is the easiest and cleanest place to add a fuel shutoff valve. Here's what you need. A fuel shutoff valve. I have a link in the description. Needle nose pliers, some rags or shop towels, and some hose clamps. Here's a step-by-step install. Step 1. Clamp or drain fuel. If your tank's full, clamp the fuel line or run the engine dry first. Step 2. To gain access to the fuel hose, you need to take off the 3 screws. Right there, and right there. With these 3 screws removed, you just pull this tab off, and the cover just pops off. With the panel removed, you can see this is where the sticker was. I've popped that off. It's just the perfect size to fit the fuel shutoff valve in. Step 3, install valve. As you can see here, I've cut in the new valve. There it is. I added some new line. This line was super tight, so I didn't need hose clamps. It's always a good option to put hose clamps on if you have them and have room. So I'm gonna connect this up. To install it, I'm just gonna slide this cover over top. See, I'm going to feed the throttle control through there. The valve will just pop through there. There we go. Put the shroud back to where it was. We'll be done. Have this installed here. Put this back on here. Step 4, secure and test. Clamp it, turn the fuel on, check for leaks, and then start it up. Pro tip, when you store your snowblower, shut the fuel valve off and run it dry. That will keep your carb clean for years. That's it, simple upgrade, huge payoff. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe and let me know what you'd like me to fix next. This is how you keep equipment reliable without spending a fortune.